सभी को नमस्कार। आप सब देख रहे हैं हरियाणा बट्टू न्यूज़ चैनल। आज की मुख्य खबरों के साथ मैं सुनील कुमार। बट्टू कला के राजकीय महाविद्यालय में स्वदेशी ज्ञान, आत्मनिर्भर और सतत पोषणीयता विषय पर एक भव्य अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन किया गया। मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर मनोज दीक्षित, कुलपति महाराजा गंगा सिंह विश्वविद्यालय बीकानेर राजस्थान ने कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन किया। कार्यक्रम की अध्यक्षता कॉलेज के प्राचार्य डॉक्टर सुभाष याग ने की। विशिष्ट अतिथि के रूप में डॉक्टर राजाराम चोयल ने भाग लिया। मुख्य वक्ता के रूप में डॉक्टर बीट्रीज लूसिया सेल्वाडोर बायटोजो ब्राज़ील और डॉक्टर मारिया एमिलिया कैमग्रो ब्राज़ील ने शिरकत की। डॉक्टर रविंद्र कुमार व दर्शन कुमार ने सभी का आभार व्यक्त किया। कॉन्फ्रेंस में देश विदेश से 520 से अधिक शिक्षाविदों ने भाग लिया। कार्यक्रम में डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र जियानी, प्राचार्य राजकीय महाविद्यालय भुना, डॉक्टर गुरचरण सिंह, प्राचार्य मनोहर मेमोरियल महाविद्यालय फतेहाबाद, डॉक्टर मनोज भांबू, प्राचार्य राजकीय महाविद्यालय कैथल, प्रोफेसर दशरथ, प्रोफेसर धर्म सिंह, प्रोफेसर सुखदेव, प्रोफेसर विजय गोयल, लेफ्टिनेंट विनोद कुमार सहित अनेक महाविद्यालय के प्राचार्य व शिक्षाविद मौजूद थे। सुनिए कॉलेज प्राचार्य डॉक्टर सुभाष याग का यह संबोधन।
चीफ गेस्ट फॉर स्पेयरिंग हिज वैल्यूएबल टाइम फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस फ्रॉम हिज वेरी बिजी शेड्यूल। Your dignified and distinguished presence has been a source of inspiration and motivation to us all, sir. Your presence will continue to energize us and push our morale, sir. When I went through the personal details of our honorable chief guest, I found that he is a very voracious reader, internationally reputed author of more than 13 books on public administration, tourism, management, research, methodology, etc. He has attended about 20 conferences abroad, including Canada, Ukraine, China, Indonesia, UAE, Australia, Lithuania, Bangkok, and Russia. Professor Dixit sir is a great orator, great teacher, great administrator, due to which he had been made Vice Chancellor of Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, Awadh Vishwavidyalaya, Ayodhya, UP from 2017 to 2020. He has delivered a number of lectures on UGC-sponsored orientation program, refresher courses, SCC, and FDP. His curiosity for knowledge, mastery of language and skills, and various performed responsibility can be summed up through the famous line of Robert Frost: "The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep." Welcome, sir. Now I welcome with warm salutation our special guest of this international conference, Professor Rajaram Chowel, Dean Faculty of Science, Maharaja Ganga Singh University, Bikaner, for his matchless working style, tireless and inexhaustible efforts, and prompt disposal of work. Professor Rajaram Chowel bear innumerous academic and administrative responsibilities of Maharaja Ganga Singh University, Bikaner, along with the additional charge of controller of examination from the last 5 years. Now, I would like to welcome the keynote speaker. However, they are not physically present because of some unavoidable health issue. Professor Maria Emilia Camelingo from Brazil and Professor Beatriz Lucia Salvador Bajoto, who is a professor at University Center Unific West, Legs, SC Brazil. They will present themselves through online mode from Noida. Now I would like to roll out the red carpet for all the speakers of the technical sessions. Professor Manoj Kumar Ji Bhambu, Principal Government College, Kaithal, Professor Sunil Singh Ji, Professor Sanjay Kumar Ji, and Sanju Dharedia Ji from Loya College, Churu. Uh, Professor Vijay Kumar Ji from MMPG College, Fatehpur. Professor Rajpal Ji, Manjit Kumar Ji from Government College, Rabari. Dharam Singh Ji from Government College, Khedi Chopta. Professor Dasrath Ji from Government College for Women, Sirsa. And Aslam Ji from Chanduram College, Chanibadi. And Gauri Shankar Ji Shihag from Bal Vikas Group of Institution of. I welcome all the worthy participants from the various states of India, including Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Kerala, Manipur, Uttarakhand, Delhi, and Chandigarh. I express my sincere gratitude and heartfelt welcome to the journalist Sri Jai Singh Ji Jalwal, Kokna Ji, and Suresh Ji Solanki for making this event a more graceful and special. Now, I would like to give a small introduction of our college. Our college is affiliated to CDLU University Sirsa. More than 700 students are getting their degrees or studying here in the present session. Since its inception in 1987, this is the first international conference organized by this college. Our college is offering degrees to the undergraduate students of arts, commerce, and science. From November 2014, the college is affiliated with the UGC 2F and 12B of the UGC Act. Recently, in the month of October 2024, NAC peer team visited the college and awarded the B grade. The topic or the subject matter of this international conference has been selected after deep deliberation. The 3 burning issues: indigenous knowledge, self-reliance, and sustainability, have been covered as a focal point of discussion in the conference. Indigenous knowledge is variably known as traditional knowledge, folk knowledge, or local knowledge, often embedded in traditional rituals, beliefs, values, ancestral stories, folk tales, ideals of the local people, oral histories, insights, intuitions, people's experiences and observations, family and community bonds, and language and spiritual ties developed and passed down through generations within specific indigenous or local or regional communities. Indigenous communities live in harmony with the environment, utilizing sustainable practices like resource management, organic agriculture, healthy food, forestry development, ecotourism, ethical entrepreneurship, waste reduction, etc. Indigenous knowledge is not only valuable for the communities that possess it, but also for the wider world, as it offers alternative perspectives and solutions to the contemporary challenges such as climate change, biodiversity loss, and food security, preserving traditional practices and wisdom that have proven effective in maintaining ecological balance. By incorporating indigenous knowledge into mainstream practices, we can learn valuable lessons on how to protect and sustain our Mother Earth for future generations. Self-reliance is the ability to meet one's own needs without external dependence, allowing people to believe in their own strengths and characters, in one's own abilities and brilliance. trusting in one's own skills, ideas, creativity, and originality. It empowers and encourages individuals to create opportunities, generate employment, and contribute to national economic growth. Once again, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries on the dais and all the teaching communities and scholar participants for sparing their valuable time. The conference have not been possible without every one of you being part of it. I will forever cherish your spot. Now, I welcome Dr. Aditi Basu Roy, Principal, Grant International School, Noida, and President of Principal Association of Gautam Budh Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. Welcome, Madam Aditi, for your online presentation. Thank you very much, sir.